What's up, guys? Redbeard here, and it is an absolutely gorgeous morning here up at Bearskin Lake. Last week we took out these two pretty decent sized trees, threatening this staircase here. Super nice staircase. Homeowner built it himself and didn't want to see one of these guys take it out, so we climbed both of those, topped them out, and then chunked them down. And I think we got to take this cedar tree out here, right there, that one too. So we're gonna do that too. And there are some more things down here I want to show you guys. So hang out with me for a second. All right, so this is the other one. That one and this one. So that, and then there's a couple more over there. We're gonna do those ones, but otherwise gonna be a good day today. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of stretching here and get some fuel in the saws, get ready to go, and then gonna get after it. So stay tuned. Alright, so got the chainsaws all fueled up and sharpened, and took a look at the contract again. We've got to do this one that's got all these woodpecker holes in it. It's pretty decent, probably about 45 feet tall. It's not super tall. Then got to come over here. We got this this little cedar right here, not super tall. Where am I at there? Right there. Not super tall. I'm gonna have to climb it though and top it because can't drop it on the staircase. And then get this other one over here, and this one's probably gonna go a little bit easier. Maybe we'll climb it and top it. It's back there. It's kind of up in here somewhere. Anyways, power line kind of over there, so we're just gonna be super careful about that. But anyways, I'm gonna get a throw ball up in this tree and I'm gonna start climbing it. So I'm gonna get after it here. Alright, so we've got anchor points set up right here. There's some rope and gear and stuff in this tree. Let's see here. This one right here. Let me see if I can show you guys this from a better angle. Okay, so this is the tree we're taking down. We've got a rope set up there. Goes down to that anchor point there. Goes off of this block right here. Comes back up to this pulley right here. And then down to Randy, down over there. Where is he? Randy's right there. So we're gonna make a couple cuts here and just flop this thing right down on top of that bed of logs. So here goes. All right, so we've got one more removal here. We're gonna do this one because we can just speed it all right out in front of the pontoon here. And then we got to do that one. We'll do that one tomorrow. Leave a big stub here so we got something to rig off of. And then that one's for tomorrow too. So we switch this camera on. So let's see here. Step on over here. All this stuff was all hanging out away from the structure. So should all just go down into here pretty easily. And then this one, got to pretty much rig everything back off of this stem, back down and swing it around and put it down over here. So that's going to be fun. And then this one you got to pretty much speed line everything back down that way off one of those cedar trees or something like that. And then negative rig it because it should be all right up there. Probably pull one of them chunks over and just pull it over and flop them down there and chunk it kind of down and then pull it over, and that'll be that. So we've got all this rigging set up so that way this piece, you just slide that rope all the way up and speed line all of those pieces out down to there. So got the tripod set up. I'm gonna show you guys how this stuff works. All right, so that's it for this one. We got all them limbs down. All we got there is a stem. We got those other two birch trees we got to take care of tomorrow, but right now I got to go look at a couple other jobs. So that's it for today. Appreciate you guys for checking this video out. And if you need tree work done, swing on over redbeard.work/request. I'm Redbeard, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.